In this video, I will tell you about evolution of world's tallest building with size comparison from 1901 to 2022. Philadelphia Town Hall, located in Philadelphia, 1901 to 1908, 167 meter, 548 feet, country USA. Singer Building, located in New York, 1908, 186.6 meter, 612 feet, country USA. MetLife Tower, located in New York, 1909 to 1913, 2013 meter, 700 feet, country USA. The Woolworth Building, located in New York, 1913 to 1930, 241 meter, 792 feet, country USA. Chrysler Building, located in New York, 1930, 319 meter, 1046 feet, country USA. Empire State Building, located in New York, 1931 to 1971, 381 meter, 1250 feet, country USA. World Trade Center, located in New York, 1971 to 1973, 417 meter, 1368 feet, country USA. Willis Tower, located in Chicago, 1973 to 1998, 442 meter, 2450 feet, country USA. Petronas Tower, located in Kuala Lumpur, 1998 to 2004, 152 meter, 1583 feet, country Malaysia. Taipei Eye, located in Taipei Eye, 2004 to 2010, 509 meter, 1671 feet, country Taiwan. Burj Khalifa, located in Dubai, 2010 to present, 828 meter, 2717 feet, country United Arab Emirates. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Truth of the World.